Welcome to LivGen. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your PowerPoint presentations into captivating videos using our PPT-to-Video feature. To get started, visit our website and navigate to the PPT-to-Video feature from the main menu, or simply click on Start with a PPT in the Lab section. You can choose the digital avatar page style, inside page or outside page. Then, upload your PPT file. You can use our AI to auto-generate the video script or skip script generation for now. After uploading, customize your slides. You can adjust each page individually and edit or add various elements as needed. Next, select an avatar to narrate your PPT. After clicking on it, you can make detailed modifications and apply it to all slides. You can also add a voiceover by uploading audio, recording instantly, or inputting text to generate an AI voice. When all settings are complete, click Compose. LivGen will compile your presentation into a professional quality video. Wait a moment, and your PPT-to-Video will be ready. Preview your video, and if you're satisfied, download it or edit it again as needed.
One-stop AL video creation and editing platform. Turn text into AL avatar videos in 50+ languages and with 600+ voices. Faster, simpler, smarter.
And that's it. Create stunning, shareable videos from your presentations with LivGen's PPT-to-Video feature. Start transforming your ideas today.